But not him. Denji's biggest perk is how obedient he is.
Hey, Fido. I'll give you 100 yen if you swallow the cigarette. Huh?
Whoa, you will? Alrighty, down the hatch this sucker goes. Oh.
We'll be in touch. Keep in mind your pig slop if you try to skip town.
Now we're set for another 3 days. Guess what I found out recently? It's considered normal to eat your bread with jam on it. Too bad normal's a pipe dream for folks down on their luck like us, huh? Bet that I'll bite the big one before I ever pay off this debt. Probably won't kick it with a girl before I kick the bucket either. My rinky-dink shack doesn't exactly scream romance. There's no dough to go on dates. If dreams do come true, then before I croak, I want to be with